Hello viewers, I apologize I have not made a fire alarm video in such a long time. I've been very busy working on a patent application that I was preparing myself because, you know, I can't really afford an attorney, and there's just paperwork and mess everywhere, but it's finally finished and I'm going to burn these like 3 reams of papers that I have filled with just stupid lawyer talk, patent stuff. Nothing has really changed. I do want to get a smoke detector instead of a heat detector. I don't know if I covered this in the last video. The acrylic sheet that was on the bottom of that vintage exit sign fell out and shattered on my printer. So I need to replace that. I'll probably just put an emergency light there. Same notification appliances, but I do have 2 Firelight BG12 pull stations. Other than that, I think these 2 pull stations and notification appliances will stay. I'm not sure about this one here, though, by the way. I might change that out with the new Honeywell system sensor strobes that they came out with. I don't know if they're even on the market yet, but they look pretty cool. I might replace that one with one. That pull station there, another Firelight BG12. And the same, of course, classic fire alarm panel, MP12, which the reason why I'm filing a patent is I want to, I wanted to buy an abandoned house and restore it, but after I filed the patent I started talking to my realtor about it, and it turned out to be kind of too difficult to purchase. It's a EPA Superfund site, so I guess I'm going to have to build my own house in the next coming up year, because I do not like renting. It's terrible. But this panel is going to be the main panel in that house too, so I really do like it. I know someone commented saying that it's a terrible panel or whatever, but it's pretty awesome inside. I need to change the battery in it. It's 2 years old now almost, so I'm going to blow that up with these devices. Yes, I got another one. Should be a video out on it. Massive 200 kVAR capacitor, which I'm going to order another one so I can get a resonant circuit with that one. And I still have not got the high voltage insulator yet. It's being, the company that made this transformer is being ridiculous about ordering a new bushing. But that one is up and running and works fine, so I'm going to blow that battery up. Same wiring inside, nothing has really changed. 2-zone, very simple to operate. So I guess just pull it and see what happens. This station to start out with. Just silence it. Yeah, just 3 buttons on that panel. I still need to find a cover plate for it. The white cover to cover those terminals, but haven't found one on eBay yet. There's still some ash on the top of that pool station from when I was blowing up some circuit boards and the clicker. But continuing on. It's staying in trouble mode for some reason. I think that the battery might have died on the system. Wow, it's pretty impressive. But anyway, continuing on. Maybe it stopped, but yeah, this battery is definitely getting up there in age, so they'll need to be replaced soon. And of course I dropped the key, but and just a quick view on the terminals there. 120 volts coming in on that side. There's the output. I have a fuse, 1 amp fuse on that, and then 2 zones, and then there's a common right there in the middle. Or both of those are, well, I was going to call them hot, but they're positive. And each one is, this is zone 1 and that's zone 2, but there's a common in the middle, positive, negative, and those are the 120 volts. Surprised that they don't have those covered up there. I don't know, kind of high voltage, but that's more high voltage. This is just medium voltage, so yeah. Some updates I plan for the next fire alarm system test. I want to get this dialer working because now I have a phone system here. There's the power supply for it. I just need to get the card that clips in there, the relay card. And I also want to replace that heat detector with a smoke detector. System sensor i3, hopefully. But that's basically it for this system. Catch you in the next video.